Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to do Banggood window shopping. There's a bunch of new products, some I have on the way, some I've already received, and some interesting stuff that I really like, and some off-topic things. So Emax released their new TinyHawk S, and I think it's because their Emax Buzz didn't do so well. But yeah, they released a newer version. I don't know the difference between this one and the previous one just yet, but we'll probably get our hands on one. This one takes a 2S now, so that's the difference here. So that's really nice. I'm really curious to see how well that performs. So it could take 1S and 2S now. And what kind of connector is that? Is that a 2S? Yeah, that is a 2S. Oh no, please don't tell me. It's gonna take the JST type connector. It's very bad. Why, Emax? Why? That is like just why? Oh, I know why. Because they want to stay proprietary with their batteries. That's not really a good move. That's a really annoying move, I would say. All right, well, that goes for Emax. Now, it just looks so nice, but that doesn't mean anything. But it just looks really, really nice. I really like this frame. It's like the modern look of the GEPRC Leopard, if you remember that one. It looks awesome, actually. Wow. It's a bit expensive, but it's cheaper than other ones currently out. 275 bucks. You can get an XM or XSR or without receiver. Basically same price. So it's the Mark III. This looks interesting. It's a 5S. You can go up to a 5S. And what motors is it using? So for motors, you're using 2207.5 2400 kV. These are GEPRC motors, which is basically RCN power motors, and RCN power motors are really great. They're manufactured. They do some really good stuff. I've never really released a lot of videos on their motors, but I love them actually. But yeah, we're using the Cadex Rotel, Pagata 2, and yeah, that's basically it. So this is, I don't know why, but I think this is way too expensive. Okay, way too expensive. Let me put this one to the side. I have another one here somewhere. There it is. Why the hell are they that expensive? This is not a 3-inch. This is a 2-inch. I think this one's 2.5 possibly. We can check by the 2-inch. So we have this one from iflight, and we have this one from GEPRC. Why are they so freaking expensive? Don't tell me it's because of the camera. Anyways, I'll probably get one of these and try it out myself. So I personally wouldn't pay that much for one of these. The Mamba F722. This is the new Mamba. It's a 20x20 stack. The 6S capable 20x20. However, the price isn't really, giving it that extra edge like usual Mamba stacks. So I hope you're listening, Diatone. So this is really interesting. I don't understand what to think of this. So it's EAchine Diatone. I just don't like the antenna placement, and that's why they're hiding it here. Oh, there it is. They should really think about their antenna placement, because that is like one of its biggest downfalls. Oh, look, it has LEDs now. How much does this cost? 170 bucks. I personally would rather buy this than one of these, and then add a what is it called, the camera there, and you're good to go. That's what I would do. Anyways, let's move on. Topsky, they're releasing their second try of the Topsky Prime. They're calling it the 2. First one never worked for me. Hopefully this won't work. I do have one on the way, so these are getting shipped currently. So it's 92 bucks, and it's highly recommended not to purchase until it's been tested by a couple people. Not one person, by a couple people. So just be careful with Topsky stuff currently. I mean, they had, so far I think their best product is the FPV watch. Other than that, it's still too early for me to say anything about them. So if this performs as good as a normal sized goggle, and not like a box goggle, and it performs better than a box goggle, but less than a Fat Shark, then it's going to be a really great contender for 100 bucks. But if it doesn't fit any category, then it's just, time will tell. Let's just leave it at that. URAV $41 goggle just got released. I have one of these on the way. I don't know what to expect. I'm just gonna take it apart and try to do something with it. So we'll see when it arrives here. When I first started, I started with the EAchine, what is it called? VR D2 or something. I don't even remember what it was called, but it was like 80 bucks, and it was like, oh, the first, didn't even have, no, it did have diversity and a DVR, and it was just like amazing. DVR is very important for these little budget ones. No, it doesn't. Anyways, it'll get someone going. So 41 bucks for this. Hopefully it's good. I think that's a speaker right there. Anyways, Okay, off topic. This is really nice. This is many of you have probably seen it. Many of you probably don't even know something like this exists. It's an adapter that'll allow you to plug in an external like a desktop graphic card on your laptop. So I have an old laptop. It's not that old, but I'm not using it, but I need more power. And I just got a new graphic card for my bigger PC, and I don't want that graphic card to go to waste. So I'm just going to have it training some of my AIs. So I decided to pick this up. $40, and it'll enable me to put a full-fledged graphic card on my PC. That's really awesome. For $40, that's just insane. However, there is one downside to this. You're gonna have to remove your Wi-Fi internal card and plug this in instead of it. But you know, I don't mind. I'm just gonna plug it over Ethernet, and I'll just be sitting right next to it. But you can always purchase just like a Wi-Fi USB. What are they, like $2 now? If you guys want to see a video on it, let me know. Aomway V1S just got shipped. Mine just got shipped, so they're starting to ship now. So we'll see. I'm gonna take this one apart and see the internals, because the older one really pissed me off. Back then it was just really terrible for me. But you know, it's you know, some people have different experiences. Now for me, it was just absolute nightmare. So I'm hoping this one's different, but I will take it apart and take a look at the insides on the channel and off the channel. Yeah, I just got this. It's like a really nice alternative to the tweezer tester. The SMD tweezer tester. Also picked up some of these adhesives that I really wanted to try them. I'll have them linked down below. Everything will be linked down below, so you can go ahead and check them out. And I think that's it, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.